Hello everyone. This is my first POV video. I'm gonna do hopefully a few more, but this is Sunset Edition. And yeah, I'm hoping to get some bangers here in the wildlife of Scotland. Let's go. Today I'm using the 24 to 105 and Sony A7 IV. So yeah, this is the camera that was given to me as a prize from Sony. And I'm loving it so far. Now, I like the look of that light, but I want to find a way I can photograph it in a way that looks, captivating almost. But I also like the light coming through the trees over there as well. But yeah, this light here is gorgeous, so I'll try and take a photo of this. So I'm on ISO auto. I don't want to do that. 400, 100 aperture. Wow, I've just spotted a frame through here. How can I photograph this is the question. Because I cannot see anything. I might put it to auto ISO, see. Yeah, I don't want it to be that blown out. It's a tough one. I don't know what. I'm gonna take advantage of my zoom lens. See if I can get a good photo of this. I mean, let's see if I go this way and get a photo of the light bouncing on the leaves somehow. Or even the texture of leaves, but might try and get a better angle, as I'm thinking of using the tree as a leading line up to it. And I just used a focal length of 100 with a shutter speed of 109. Great. All right, let's see. Probably get rule of thirds, leading lines. Now I'm seeing the sun through some leaves. That one might look cool. Or even the leaf through with this harsh light. Boom. Right. Let's see if I can get a cool wide angle shot of this sun looking thing. Even the grass there with the sun against it. Different angle maybe of a leaf. A bit too harsh there. Maybe this angle. Yeah. This tree's very green. Leading lines, looking up from the bottom. It's a bit underexposed, but I think I just can't be bothered putting a HDR. Let's go. I'm a fan of that one. These lily pads caught my eye. Let's see. Oh, whoa, that's way too blown out. Put the ISO down. And then shutter speed. Zoom in. And then put the shutter speeds and aperture down. Get the texture and pattern of the lily pads. There we go. I always liked light coming through trees, but I never found a good way to photograph them really. Maybe I need to try a different focal length. About 50 millimeters. Let's just see. The grass over here. Use the foreground as framing the tree in the right hand side, left hand side actually, and then that is one banger photo, I think. I mean, don't think I'm gonna get better than that tonight. Definitely one of my favorites in terms of texture and lighting. Let's see. Oh, I like this tree. Make sure I don't die going down here. Oh yeah, that's a nice photo. Because of the leading line in the foreground. Let's see. Maybe if I zoom in as well, that'll be a different cool shot. There we go. Now I see there's a lot of lines here. How can we make it look good? Also, I'm going to take a photo of this because that looks cool. So yeah, let's see. Now that is one cool looking tree. And I love the way the light is bouncing off the leaves there. Looks quite cool actually. Bit darker, more challenging lighting. We can make it work. It's a bit of a steep hill. Jeez. Wow. What a landscape. I mean, let's lower that shutter speed. How can we compose this shot? Foreground elements. Jeez, it's a bit steep here. Oh me. There's thorns in my buttocks. Right? Nope, that stick's blocking the... Let's see. Maybe even a shot looking up is probably better. Yeah, there we go. That looks cool. Even one looking completely up. Let's go. Oh yeah, so let's get the grass with the light coming through. Wow, I like that a bit. Let's get this shutter speed correct before I ruin my image. So yeah, this is the moment I ran out of storage on my phone. So yeah, here are the rest of the photos that I took. Well, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this POV and would love you guys to comment if you want to see another POV, because yeah, I have not done enough POVs. I mean, I just got this chest mount, but still, I'm just yapping. Let's get one of these shots here.